Good evening, everyone. This is Richa Ma'am's class. Bonsoir tout le monde. So aujourd'hui, vous apprendez le tense future simple. So today we are going to learn the future simple and tense, and it is very important in the class of 8th, 9th, and 10th. Uh, why this tense is important? Because through this tense, we are going to learn many more other tense. It could be conditional present, right? It could be future anterior. So future sample is very important. What is future sample? It is the tense. It is the period where we are talking about the future plans, the action we are going to perform in the future. So, how we are going to form future sample? All right. Here we take the endings of our. As we know that in the present tense also, E are regular verbs, are irregular verbs, and I are regular verbs. They have different endings. Correct? So here we take the infinitive form of er verb and ir verb. In the re verb, we will remove the e, all right, and then after that we will put the endings of our. For the it is ai. For tu it is as. For il el on it is a. For nu it is ons. For who it is easy. And for ils else it is ont. Correct? All right. So, for example, we are having the verb that is B-O-I-R-E. Boar. What is the meaning of boar?
To drink.
Yeah, to drink. Now, I have to say, I will drink. So, I will simply remove E here. The stem will be B-O-I-R. And if I want to take J as a subject, I will put the ending of AI with the stem. All right. So, Je boirai. It means I will drink. Correct? Okay. Now, first group, verb group, that is ER regular verb. We will, as I have told you earlier, that we will take the infinitive verb, that is parler. Parler means to speak, to talk. Now I have to say I will talk, you will talk, he will talk, she will talk, everyone will talk, we will talking, we will talk, you will talk, they will talk. Okay, I will take the infinitive verb of er and put the our endings according to the subject. It is understood? Now it seems easy? All right. For the verb pronouns, also the verb pronoun se lève ending with er, I will take the infinitive verb of lever, and I know that se is the pronoun. And se will always adjust with according to the subject. Je me réveillerai, right? Tuta, il, el, on, se, nu, nu, vous, vous, ils, elles, se. So it will not remain se, right? It will change according to the subject given. But we will take the infinitive verb, infinitive form of liver and put the our ending according to the subject. Easy? Now, our second IR regular group, that is finir. Finir means to finish. When I have to say, I will finish. How I will say, I will finish in French?
Je finirai.
Je finirai. Yeah, I will again take the infinitive form FINIR. What is infinitive? Infinitive form means the verb which is not conjugated. Okay, I will take as it is. Then according to the subject, I will put the our ending. Je finirai, I will finish, tu finiras, you will finish, elle, on finira, he will finish, she will finish, nous finirons, we will finish, vous finirez, you will finish, ils, elles finiront, they will finish. Similar like Shwazi, Shwazi means to choose. Je Shwazira, I will choose. Now the third group according to the future SAM. All right. Majorly we will consider Ari as a third group. Vendra. All right. But in the future sample, third group contain IR verbs, OIR and RE verbs. So partir, partir means to leave. Je partira, I will leave. Here I will take again the infinitive form. All right, of the partir and put the over ending according to the subject. Understood? Okay. As we have learned, B-O-I-R-E, boar means to drink and it is ending with R-E. What we have learned? When the endings with R-E is there in the group form, we will remove the E and take the stem. Stem is rest of the words. B-O-I-R. This is stem. E is the ending. We will take the stem. Stem will be the common. B-O-I-R, B-O-I-R, B-O-I-R. All right, for each subject. But, but the ending will be different as per the subject. All right, easy?
Yes.
But when we are talking about the war, okay? Now it is ending with D, V-O-I-R, then D-E. It means it becomes, to become. We have the different stem. D-E-V-R. That we have to learn. All right, the irregular verbs which we have to learn according to their stem and put the our endings according to the subject. No shortcuts are there. Okay, so we have many irregular verbs. Être, avoir, faire, savoir, voir, envoyer, pouvoir, aller, venir, courir, mourir, vouloir. What is the meaning of être?
To be.
And what will be the stem in future tense? S-E-R.
S-E-R.
So what will be the stem of être?
S-E-R.
What will be the stem of être?
S-E-R.
Very good. What will be the stem of avoir?
A-U-R.
What will be the stem of faire?
F-E-R.
Stem of alar? I-R. Very good. Stem of venir?
V-I-E-H-E-R.
Stem of savoir?
S-A-U-R.
Stem of voir?
V-E-R-R.
And voyer?
E-F-V-E-R-R.
Pouvoir?
P-O-U-R-R.
Courir?
C-O-U-R-R.
Mourir?
M-O-U-R-R.
And vouloir?
F-A-U. F-A-U-D-R.
D-R. Okay, so you have to learn all these stems. No shortcuts are there. And according to the subject with the stem, you need to make the endings. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is easy to understand. And now you will learn the future samples easily. Thank you.